Well, good morning again, everybody. Sorry about the break in this, but my camera came up low battery, and about 2 seconds later, it shut down. I guess I could have combined these two videos into one through Movie Maker, but I guess I just want to let you all know, what you see is what you get here. If we make a mistake, you're going to see it in the video and that, and our life is like that. You're going to get the good side, the bad side, the mistakes we make, along with the progress and the good things that we do. That's what us being on YouTube is all about. So, and I was looking at my peppers here. Like I said, and all at once I went dark. We're going to have to pick today, and I'm going to kind of look up and see what I need to do in order to be able to can a few of those. So I'm going to finish my walkabout here and that, and keep heading down my path here towards the pond. And nice sunny day today. 9 days, no rain. I hate to say that this is kind of a sign of what's to come, but it's not uncommon. Not uncommon. A matter of fact, it's the rule more than the exception to the rule. 2017 was the exception to the rule when it rained all year. 2018 was the exception of the rule when we were in a drought. So, and hopefully 2019, well, I guess I'll go for the rain. I would rather have the rain than the drought here. But all of our terraces and that here, and of course you can see the pond is down a bit now. And that, and like I said, when as the water table goes down, the pond's going to go down kind of along with it. And that, and I look back up to our road. Boy, how clean it is. I really enjoy walking down here and knowing that we finally got at it. And hopefully in the rice fields down below, we'll also be able to finish cutting and trimming and getting that all set again. So I'm going to cross the dam wall here and that. Look back up towards our rice fields up there. Yeah, and kind of complete what we're doing here today. On Friday and Saturday, it was time to mow the grass again, so Doro's been mowing the grass here. And cutting the grass, and Andoy's been raking it up, and of course we bag it up, and all you folks know where that goes. And they got done with, probably a little over half of it here, which is good. I tried burning. I've got my second burn pile is right here. And I tried burning a little bit, and it don't look too bad here. Some of it was just too wet to burn, but we got this one and the one out towards the road. And as I kind of walk up the hill here, from what we've heard before I end this video here, is that this property adjacent to ours, with wow, a lot of coconut trees, lots and lots of coconut trees, that this property, which goes up over the hill here and down along this side of the rice fields down there that we rent from our neighbor, is going to be up for sale. We still haven't got any details on it, but hopefully when we do, we'll make a video and post it up in case any of our viewers are interested in purchasing a property here in the Philippines. And my battery looks like I didn't quite charge it enough, I guess. I better say goodbye before it goes on me again. So, this is my Sunday walkabout. Like and subscribe. And thank you so much for all the subscribers, all the viewers, and that are enjoying our videos. So many good comments. And it's just a pleasure for us that we're able to find that kind of enjoyment in our videos and the life we're leading here, and trying to adjust and make something out of the jungle here in the Philippines. So I'm going to say goodbye, and we'll be back again fairly soon.